Hi home cooks! Today I'm in the kitchen making an easy one-pot chili mac and cheese.
If you're looking for a quick and cozy dinner, this easy one-pot chili mac and cheese is the ultimate comfort food. This hearty recipe is perfect for weeknight dinners or a great meal prep that you can make ahead of time and freeze for later.
This recipe brings together the bold flavors of chili and creamy goodness of mac and cheese. It's a quick and cozy one-pot recipe that's perfect for weeknight dinners or meal preps. It's warm, filling, and full of bold flavors.
So let's get into the kitchen. This is how I make an easy chili mac and cheese.
To start this recipe, in a large pot or Dutch oven on medium heat, I'm going to add in about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Add in 1 diced onion and 2 chopped bell peppers. I'm going to fry these together until soft and just starting to color. Then add in 2 minced cloves of garlic and fry a few minutes more or until the garlic is fragrant. Then add in 1 pound of ground beef. And for those classic chili flavors, I'm going to sprinkle in 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of dried chili flakes, and 2 teaspoons of dried cumin. I'm just using my spoon to break and crumble up the beef. Fry this along with the vegetables until there's no pink left. Then I'm going to add in 3 cups of beef broth. I'm also going to stir in 1 large can of crushed tomatoes. I like my tomatoes on the smoother side, so I'm just going to puree them with a stick blender before adding them into the rest of the mixture. I'm going to stir in 1 package of macaroni noodles, which is going to cook and become al dente as it simmers in the pot. This is also going to help to thicken the sauce. Cook, stirring occasionally for the time according to your pasta's directions. Meanwhile, I'm going to rinse and drain 1 can of pinto beans. Stir them in about 5 minutes before the pasta should be done. I'm also going to stir in 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. This will help thicken the sauce and boost the tomato flavor. Remove them from the heat and season with salt and pepper to your taste. Finally, I'm going to stir in 2 cups of grated cheddar cheese. Now this one-pot pasta dish is perfect served just as it is. But if you want to go the extra mile, you can transfer this whole thing to a casserole dish and top with a generous layer of grated cheese. Place it in the oven on broil for about 5 minutes, or until the cheese crust has nicely caramelized. And this easy one-pot dinner is ready to serve right away with your favorite toppings. My go-to is a simple dollop of sour cream and a drizzle of hot sauce on top.
And as always, you can find a link to the full written recipe in the description box below.
Enjoy! If you're a fan of deliciously simple vintage recipes and old-fashioned skills, then you'll want to check out this next video. Thanks for stopping by.